Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the New Year's balloons as well as a New Year's hat. So you're going to go to codes and you're going to type in NY New Year 2025. Select redeem and then go to the dressing area. Go to codes and scroll down and you'll find the balloon there. You can change the balloon colors, of course, and you can also add the hat and change the toggle from 1 or 2. Well, to 1 or 2. And that is it. These are the cute new code items that you can redeem. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, let me know in the comment section down below what your 2025 New Year's resolution is. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!